first time in forever.
You could just shake this.
I was standing upside down in the
Upside down?
forest.
Oh!
It's okay, fuckers. Whoa! Again, they stole it.
Hey guys, welcome to another video of the Sister Vlog. Today we're at a zoo safari, and our cousins here. Here's Abdul Wahab, one of our cousins, and his younger sister's here to. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
There's two ways you're gonna do this. We're gonna be doing the safari. One way is we're gonna be walking into the safari village right here, as you can see. Look at the safari village. Woo! We're gonna be in the car driving. We're gonna be feeding the buffaloes from the windows, and it's gonna be so cool. And I'm gonna be scared, and we're gonna be feeding some birds while we're over here. So, oh, here's the goats. The goats near the entrance. Ini, you like the goats? Here is what? Monkeys. The monkeys. Whoa, they're jumping and singing. Oh, there's a whole family. Look over there. Oh, hi. Hi.
Look at that, so many of them.
Look at the monkeys. Oh,
Whoa,
that's cool. Hey, I don't know that's there.
Monkey.
Yeah, monkey? You like the monkeys? Hitting its head all the way. Hi. I like your feather.
I was missing you.
Let's go.
वो देखो ये क्या गिद्ध
Mama, they go kangaroo. Mama, kangaroo. Kangaroo, what am I about them? Owls. They turned their head 320 degrees. 370. Lion tamarin.
They are lions.
lion monkeys.
Yeah, lion monkeys, yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa, they're fast.
Oh, that's fast.
Lion is not that fast. Cheetah is fast.
इधर रश लगा वो जब
One time I saw a tiger and white tiger in the same cage. They're walking. Oh, there's one right there. Look, he's wiping his child. He's cleaning his child. He's cleaning his child. He's cleaning his child over there.
Oh, this is the tiger.
Do you like them?
You like me?
Here, look, he's Okay. Here, now is Zoya's turn. Let me pick you up.
Look, I wish I was a monkey.
So let's go.
One person near me said he wishes that he was a monkey.
So let's go.
अब्दुल वहाब टॉप के ऊपर कर लो
But they're not in the cold. They're African. That's why, because it's heated. So. Hello. Hi. You want to hold it, Zoya? White tiger.
No, this is
White tiger. You like that? Okay, look, the white tiger's right there. The white tiger's right there and sleeping, and the orange tiger's on the other side.
So these are the tigers, the white tiger and the tiger.
Okay, there's another thing there where you could there's a kangaroo statue where you could sit in its pouch. I want to sit in the pouch. Look, you want to sit in the kangaroo pouch? Oh, look, it's a ring. These are emus. They're emus. Look at them, they're racing all around. Oh, hi, this one's not racing.
They're common animals.
Oh yeah, they're racing and they're walking and running, so we should put their Fitbits on them. My mom has a Fitbit right here. Wait, she doesn't have them. It's right here. Fitbit. So it counts your steps and they're running so fast. Oh, they're tired. Hi. Had a long day? Oh, you had a long day? Hope you're not fighting for food. Hi. Oh, they're sticking their heads out. Oh.
And they're eating food.
They're like, I want food. Oh, I want to sit in the kangaroo's pouch.
I want
रही हैं.
Hi. Wait, Mama, hurry up, Mama. I will not sit down. Hi.
I'm gonna go to my
कॉलर नहीं लेके जा सकते.
sticks, and I'm just gonna put it through the holes. All the drills are going in. I'm gonna get my stick. Okay,
Sam.
One stick for Inaya, and one stick for Abdul Wahab.
Scary people.
Just hold the stick. No, I'm not. Abdul Wahab, what do you mean?
Oh, sorry. आगे भी है. इसको stick देंगे.
Yeah, get him.
ये दूसरी स्टिक लो अब्दुल वहाब ये वाली स्टिक
Inaya, look. Inaya, look. Excuse me.
No, que el mío ya no tiene comida, ya se lo comió todo.
ठीक है बेटे
You're not gonna hurt you.
So, Diego,
See, look, he's on his head.
So cool, look at that. This one hasn't been done in such a long time. Hopefully they don't come. That was intense. I'm never going back in there. Like it. No, you didn't. You weren't even holding anything. Kangaroo or that way. I'll do it.
नहीं लेके जानी.
So I hope you noticed something about the birds, which is they were also part of bird drama.
Yeah, they were also part of Bird Drama 1 and 2. Hi, Mr. Tortoise. Let's go walk. Did you know a probability of a lifespan for a tortoise is 100 years? 100 years. No, it's a tortoise. A tortoise walks slow. A turtle, I think, swims very fast. Hi, Mr. Tortoise. Hi, this tortoise could live for 100 years. That's a lot. We can only live for like about 80 to 90 years. So, man, tortoise, you got a lot of skin on you. I wanted to open up its feathers. Okay, we're gonna go to the giraffe.
नहीं वो चढ़े में लोग.
Hi guys, I'm the park ranger. You wanna come try it?
हर दो.
How many? Those are lemurs. Dang, how many monkeys are in this place?
ना देखो वो भी नहीं ली जो आज.
2019.
We're going to the giraffe.
Yeah, which is right up there, and there's specific food you have to feed to the giraffes. So when you come here, they're gonna give you 4 buckets of food for the drive-through, but for giraffes, it's very different. And I'm scared still. And there's cheetahs and wolves back there. I want to see the cheetahs. They're gonna go very fast.
I want to see the wolf.
नजर तो नहीं आ
Oh, look, giraffes.
देख के आऊं मैं क्या है
Victoria, come on.
लो मैं पता करके आऊँ
Wait, you have to wait for Zoya.
वो आज से लेकर
Where's Zoya? Turtles! 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 Can I touch him? Can I touch him?
So,
Oh my gosh. His shell is super hard. There's this big huge tortoise that I saw online and for 1%. Oh, whoa.
Can I touch it?
I'm not putting that much weight on them.
You want to touch it from the high?
so
Yes.
you might notice that the food is kind of like the food from the.
इस तरह
They're so slow, but they're so adorable. They're so slow.
सामने करना वो दूर चला गया
I forgot its name, but I know it. Oh, what they're fighting. What's wrong back there? Oh, look, he wants to eat too.
लेकिन पानी में
They're so ostrich. There's an ostrich. Oh, look, there's a giraffe, baby giraffe. Baby giraffe. Look, a baby giraffe.
Just a fun fact about giraffes is their necks can grow very long and they can grow tall because of their neck.
Yeah. Look at it. That's how they reach up to trees.
Oh my!
Baby giraffe. Go, Chicaman.
And that's
Oh, look. Mama, look there. Mama, वो वाली लड़कियाँ हैं because there's a kid there.
ज़्यादा डार्क
So these are llamas and their haircuts, they have bangs.
पे आने लास्ट
just to let you know what this is. This is a safari park in Virginia.
We're just
I don't want this channel to be
That llama has so much hair in its eyes back there.
We're just humans, okay? We're just humans. These are some more llamas.
I love this place, except I don't want to go inside and feed them. So I like the peacocks. I want them to open up their feathers. One time I came here with my cousins from my mom's side. We saw a peacock open up its wings, and it was so pretty. You know, the feathers on its back. I want to go to the cheetahs and wolf sections. I want to see the cheetahs run, so I was like,
चलो
okay, we're gonna see the flamingos.
I'm a bit scared. The change and the flamingos were not there.
We were wrong. There weren't any flamingos. They changed into peacocks.
I already
Okay, now we're gonna go to the big cats, cheetahs, and wolves section. And there's a safari sweet shop with ice cream.
Let's go. Edie, come on. So over here is the sweet shop. And now we're going to be going forward onto this path.
क्या लेना
Puppy is going to lead us to the wolf. Yeah, because she's not like
वो वुल्फ है शायद
Yeah.
No, that's a wolf. Oh. Wolf! 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 It's part of
Edie's crying because she wants to meet the wolf.
We're going to keep on adventuring. Onward and forward.
बाहर फेंको इधर
Cheetahs, you can tell the difference between cheetahs and jaguars and leopards because of the black lines from that come down their eyes. Hi, cheetahs. Hopefully you don't actually try to come and eat us. No.
Yeah. What happened in there?
What happened?
We want them to get out.
They're gonna eat you.
Yeah, they're going to eat you.
Hi, cheetahs.
Say hi.
चलो
You
भाई
guys
बच्चे
want to say hi.
You want to say hi? We're gonna go to Kangaroo Trail. That'll bring us back up to the top where we were, and then we're gonna go to this drive-thru, which I'm scared. I'm gonna scream so loud.
Okay, let's go.
Are you gonna scream when the buffalo's gonna come to your face like this?
I'm kind of scared.
Bye, cheetahs. I love cheetahs. They're so fast. I wish I could ride them. But